Hello, today we are going to learn how to make this craft, a paper crane. First, we need a square sheet, so if we take a normal sheet, we have to fold it by taking one end and taking it down until the top is pointed. Then, we have to cut the excess paper. When we have the square, we fold it in half diagonally and we repeat it again. After that, we take down one end of the paper and we turn it around and do the same in the other way. Once this step is done, we unfold the paper until it's only folded diagonally. The marks remaining on the paper will help us to take the next step. We must look at them and enter inside following the marks. We will continue this process on both sides so that the four ends of the paper must be joined. In the next step, we must bring the ends to the center line. We must note that the four ends of the paper should be on the bottom. We will repeat this in both parts, so we turn the paper over and do the same. Now, we have to unfold the last step and raise the end of the paper up. In this way, both sides will be brought towards the center line, following the marks on the paper. We turn the paper over again and do the same. Now that we have it, this is how a craft should go. So we take one of the side ends, taking into account that the open part is down, and we fold it to the center. We repeat this process on all four sides. After that, we have to take to the center both sides, changing the direction of the open ends that now remain inside. Then we take the bottom tip and bring it to the top to match both tips. We turn our crane over and repeat this step. The next step is turning the sides of the paper. We see that two tabs come out of the inside of the paper. This will be the head and the tail of the crane. But first, we take one of the top tips in front of the tabs and fold it down, so that we have a triangle. We do the same on the other side. This will be the wings of the crane. Now, we push both tabs to the sides. We can leave them at the height we want. We choose the tab we want to be the head, and at the top we make a small fold in the way that we can see. Finally, we lift the wings of the crane. And that's all. We have a fantastic paper crane.